gutter is one of the most important parts of a building. Unfortunately, because of the height, it is for many a rather difficult job to clean the gutter. Also, not to forget, damage can be caused by repeatedly putting the ladder in your garden or against the paintwork. Most therefore have also placed a roller, leaf catcher or filter in their gutter. However, none of these tools offer permanent protection. Also, important to know is that caustic acids from rotting leaves affect the gutter. Also, a full gutter can overflow at the front and heavily smear your facade. In addition, a full gutter gives the building an unkempt appearance. With the gutter grid from Aluper, the gutter never needs to be cleaned again. It is a permanent grid that makes the gutter completely maintenance-free. Also, an aluminium protection against martins and birds can be ordered. The grating is permeable to water, easy to assemble and disassemble, and also suitable for valley gutters and skylight windows. Even with many leaves and pine needles on the grid, the rainwater is well drained. The special profile ensures that leaves cannot stick. Most leaves do not stay on the grid, but fall down along the grid. The wind will blow the grid clean again. The products are easy to order in our web shop. We deliver and install using a worldwide network. With the available instructional videos, it is also possible to install the grill yourself. To register as a dealer in your place of residence, you can send an email to info@aluper.nl.